In this lesson, we'll review the full round fillet type. Select the Fillet tool. Select Full Round Fillet this time. And let's select our first face, a second face, and let's do a third face. Now we've got a preview here. Let's accept it. Let's create another rounded fillet. Select the Fillet tool, Full Round Fillet. This time let's build a fillet between these faces here. Select your first face, a second face, and your third face. Click Accept. As you can see now, with this rotation, we have 2 full round fillets. And this concludes our review of the full round fillet.